Hi everyone, welcome to the channel and to today's video. We're just going to go through a short Adobe After Effects tutorial. So let's load up Adobe After Effects and start a new composition. Let's add a new name and we leave most of the settings the same. 30 FPS and 1920 by 1080. Select OK and let's go. Let's head to the top left menu. Select File and then Import, and let's choose our video that we want behind our text. Next, we select our horizontal type tool and let's just type the desired text. Let's just skip ahead and select the font we want to use and let's resize. This is done using the character menu to the left. If you don't see this, head to Window on the top menu bar and select Character to bring this menu up. Now let's drag our video from the project area down to the work area. We must ensure that our text layer is above our video layer in the work area. We then head up to the top menu, select Layer, select Track Matte, and then choose the Alpha Matte option. And here we have it. Our video is now placed behind our text. Let's just make some adjustments to the text itself and the font. And here's the final result. Leave us a like, tell us any topics you would like to learn more about in the comments, and subscribe to not miss the answers when they're posted. Thanks for watching.